Want to disable test mode in Windows 11? Here's a quick guide to turn it off. What you need to do is to click on the Windows icon and type CMD. Then, right-click on Command Prompt in the elevated search result and choose Run as Administrator. To switch the test signing mode off, copy-paste this simple command and hit Enter to execute it in the terminal. bcd-edit, set test signing off. When you see the confirmation message, the operation was completed successfully. Close Command Prompt window. Now restart your computer to complete the process. Search Activation Settings in Windows, search, and click on it. Now, make sure Windows is activated. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.